Okay, how did this all began? Begin
What?
di ay begin. How did this
How
all
did this
begin?
all beginning? What? Mao na lagi. Tagna ko babae nga ni hindi makaurot sa oras ba. Hey guys! Unsa man ang intro ani? Dapat na tay intro.
Oo.
Ito ang beat sabay-sabay.
Laughs and vibes in every blink. It all goes down on Sip and Sink.
Intro pa lang badugay na ka.
Ay!
Kiligit pag-sing.
Lord, tabangi mi, Lord.
Uy, manabangi, Lord.
Hey,
Hey guys!
Welcome to
Nag-sync
the
ba to?
first episode of Sip and Sink.
Sip and sing! Sip and sing! Sip and sing! Okay, na-hype na natin yung self natin. Hi, I'm Seth. I'm a physical therapist currently in Phoenix, Arizona. So, ayun.
I'm Isa and I'm 29. I'm turning 30 this year. Tapos, PT
Oh my
rin
God.
ako, pero hindi na ako PT ngayon. Hanggang make
Change
sense ba?
career.
I mean, I'm still a licensed PT in the Philippines, pero I'm enjoying myself in the business industry and I enjoy building stuff. Actually, I'm enjoying building systems.
My name is Kyra. I am 28 and I'm a licensed physiotherapist. Tapos nag-medicine. So now I'm a doctor in Davao. Woo!
So, this podcast, what will this be about? Is it we're just gonna be talking about life, diba? So, we're just a bunch of friends na parang we'll use this podcast to catch up.
Yeah. Actually,
Tama ba? Ito
this
ba yung
podcast is, for me, ang podcast na to is, kasi diba, we rarely catch up. And when we do it via Zoom. Or via
Yes.
VC. So at least ngayon, like, it will be a part of our memory in the future to look back on. Diba?
For sure.
Before,
Kasi
we lived in
diba,
different
it's
cities.
been a while, diba, na since nag-catch up tayo. And then the first time we did the Zoom, it took us like, what, 4 hours? 5 hours? 2
Yeah.
hours. Joke lang. Napaka-exaggerated.
It was spent for waiting for me. Because you guys wait.
Yeah. Yun pala yun. So, kasalanan talaga ni Kyra. So, tatanggalin na din namin siya. So, isa tayong dalawa na lang pala.
Yes. Sige, ito yung question ko for everyone. How did our friendship start?
What a very deep question. What?
Okay.
Because I
Started.
honestly don't remember.
Same.
Kasi, well, let's put it this way. We were all classmates, diba, in college. So, we went to the same school, college in Davao. And that's basically where we all met. And I don't remember. Were we classmates the first year, Isa?
Yeah.
I know Jaira
Second
wasn't.
semester.
She's
You
Yeah.
guys were classmates first
Yeah.
year?
no, we weren't. I think section A, Isa.
So I was in section A first semester and second semester I was
Yeah.
in section C. Not because of
Yeah.
intellect ha. Puno
No,
lang
this
yun
is not.
sa ano.
It's just it's based on who first enrolled. Kasi ako
Yeah.
section C ako kasi I was still debating whether to take physical therapy or medtech at the time. So, yun na. Nasa akin na pala yung last slot ng physical therapist physical therapy na ano. So, yun nasa C. How about you, Jaira? Anong section ka ba nun?
A. Classmates kami ni Isa.
Okay, so classmates kayo. Okay, ayun. So, close na ba kayo agad nun or hindi pa?
Actually,
We're classmates nung high school.
yeah.
Yes,
Oh,
tapos-
really? I did not know that. Ah,
Yes,
perfect.
yes.
Okay, so I'm out. I feel out of place, guys. So, bye.
Goodbye, Seth. parang naiwan.
So, ano ba ginagawa ko dito? Ako pala yung guest lang
Yeah.
pala ako dito eh.
Oh, we were
Okay, so,
classmates, and then you were in section C first year.
yes.
Ilan tayo naging
Yes.
classmates? Like tayong tatlo?
I think was it second semester or second year? The sections were shuffled.
Yeah.
Kaya, yes.
And
I don't
you,
remember exactly when. And then that's when I met, I think, Isa, we became friends because we were group mates in one of the, was it chemistry or something?
oh
We
my
made
gosh,
like
your memory
the
is
soap. I remember we
Ah,
made a
the
soap.
soap. Okay.
Yes, and then you were
I
the one who created
remember
the
the
box for the
box.
soap.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay, perfect. She's like a very good group mate. Kasi ginagawa niya yung ano niya, yung trabaho niya. Tapos ako, ano lang, gawin mo ito, gawin mo yan. Sitting pretty. Sitting lang, walang pretty. Pero yeah, I think that's how I remember, I think that's my earliest memory of Isa. Jaira, piti ka ba nun, Jai? Parang
Friends? Were we friends? College?
you know, no. You know why? I think it started because parang ano, common friends. Kasi si Monica na kayo, matagal na kayo magkakilala ni
Oo.
Monica. Tapos parang si Monica naman, parang naging close ko siya through Shara. So, di ba? Ang daming ano. Shout out naman sa mga friends natin in college. Kumusta na kayo, guys? Laban-laban ng buhay dyan.
In the world na
Yes. So, I think, yeah. So, I think it all started kasi naman, di ba, sa community natin sa physical therapy, kahit hindi tayo magkakaklase, parang at the end of the day, parang nagiging friends mo na din yung ibang tao kasi parehas na kayo ng pinagdadaanan eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Nahihirapan. Nahihirapan tayo nun eh. Pareha tayo ng iniiyakan.
Actually,
Ayan,
kayo
maganda.
both, ay, si Lisat, nakasabay ko rotate sa SPA.
SPC.
Yeah.
Ano, SPH? Yes, SPH. Si
Si
Jaira,
Jai, wala ko
friends ba talaga
nakasabay.
tayo?
Parang sumulpot lang ako out of nowhere.
Wala tayo naka-rotate, Jai, no? Together.
Better, wala ata. Iba
Wala,
yung
oo.
ano nun eh. Mga kasama lagi.
Nag-out of town ka ba ever?
Yes.
Complete
Cagayan
yan
and
siya. Complete attendance.
Kagaya ng Cebu. Cebu?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Yes.
Pero hindi niya
Kasi
sabay,
ang
hindi-
ang kasabay ko sa Cebu si Monica.
I think naabot sa point na, di ba, after duty, before internship, we would eat together, backyard burgers and everything, milk tea. Tapos magsabay-sabay na lang ang common, ano.
Yes.
Diba?
I think yung pag may common friends, tapos parang invite, tapos parang ano magkakasabayan kayo para sa isang dinner.
Yeah.
Tapos yun, para makakilala mo din yung isang tao, tapos parang ay, pangit pala ng ugali nito.
Bakit niya pala?
Pangit pala nito.
We know each other by face, by name. Hi, hello lang,
Yes.
di ba?
Yeah,
Tapos,
kasi diba nung
pero-
college, parang ang daming mga iba't ibang groups. Na even ako parang, I can't say na I belong to one solid group. Kasi ako pa iba-iba ako.
Same. Ako din. Meron akong yung isang group of friends, like yung mga original na Section C,
Yeah.
meron. Tapos meron yung mga parang na-adapt ko from Section B. Tapos yung isang group of friends naman, yung lahat higher year. Parang ano lang, kung sino lang gusto kong ka-vibe for that day. Pa-attitude. Pero yun, depende naman kasi iba-iba naman yung ano natin, yung mga trip natin ng college. So, I think parang we don't remember how we became friends. It just happened.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi, basta basically, classmates tayo at some point, magkakaklase tayo lahat. And then, ayun na. Parang, sige, wala tayong choice. Maging friends na lang din tayo.
Like, wala tayong choice but to be with each other nung nag-review na. No?
Yeah.
Yes. Ayun
But I
naman,
think,
ibang ano naman yun.
I think we got closer nung internship nung parang interns night. Kasi diba, we really had to collaborate with each other to make the event possible. Diba? So
Oh,
doon,
yes.
I think doon tayo come together in a sense bago nag-Manila.
At some point ba, parang naging isa ba lahat ng ano? Parang, oo, di ba? Nung interns na tayo, parang wala nang sections. Parang
Yeah.
isa na tayong lahat. Yan. So, sabay-sabay na tayo. Kasi parang kumonti na yung population
Yes.
natin. Di
Mm-mm.
ba? From 3 sections, na-cut into
Wow.
half. Tapos, na-cut na naman. So, tayo talaga yung mga nag-survive. Ang galing natin, guys. Woo, woo, woo.
Cheers naman dyan.
Cheers naman dyan. Ano nga ba yung mga drinks nyo? Pakita niyo naman yung mga
Actually,
drinks.
ang drink ko is
Cheers.
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 Akin is ano, a non-alcoholic cocktail na nandito sa JM Shawarma Cup kasi freebie. So ngayon, I'm a loser. It's 1 p.m. I'm drinking a non-alcoholic drink, but sige lang. Kayo,
Basta
anong
masarap.
drinks niyo? Yes.
Mine is, para siyang cocktail na improvised. Kasi nag-iisang alcohol ko dito is limoncello. Matapang siya. Tapos yung nag-iisang juice ko is pineapple juice. So, nilagyan ng
mixed na.
ice, tapos grenadine. So, eto na. Di siya masarap, but it's still alcohol. So, I'll survive.
We'll survive the night.
Yes.
Mine
Kasi magkakaibang
Wine.
oras tayo eh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bakit naman kasi nag-alcohol at this hour? It's still 1 p.m. So sa akin
Yeah.
nag
PM. Chocolate milk chocolate.
Kala na namin tanggalin ko yung takip.
Gusto namin ng ebidensya, baka tubig lang yan.
Ah,
Ay, mayabo. Oh.
maya po.
Okay, sige na nga, sige na. Naniniwala na kami. I believe you.
Yeah, let's go. Let's
Ano,
fast forward to
okay.
Manila. So I think ano talaga like ang ating friend group, 'di ba we call it the Chamber of Secrets 1513. I don't know why with Nell, pero it
Pero
kind of
bago
fits.
yan. Bago
Ay.
yan. Ano muna?
Medyo
Medyo
rated.
ano siya,
Wag
rated
na, wag
SPG.
na. Rated
Wag
SPG.
na yung
yun.
sabihin.
Rated
Kaya
SPG
naging-
ko yung first name.
Chamber. So,
Yeah.
naging Chamber of Secrets 1513. Kasi yun yung room number natin.
Yeah, that tiny room in the 15th floor. Grabe.
Oh my gosh! It takes me back. Ang saya ng parang yun siguro yung sa buong review life natin. Parang yun yung parang
Highlight.
good part. 'Di ba? Yung parang highlight natin like lahat ng trip natin sa maliit na room na yun kasi
Yeah.
parang lang siyang box. Parang box, tapos may 4 na kama, na 2 bunk beds.
Yeah.
Tapos, alala ko pa yung mga trip ni Isa doon. Alala ko pa
Oh.
ang mga trip ni Isa. Kasi,
Yes.
si Isa is she's scared of everything.
Actually.
Before, is it still true until up to this day? Or, medyo ka na?
I think
May
I kind of
may
got over
courage.
it. Kasi, di ba, like, before, I wasn't still a Christian. Hindi ko pa na-acknowledge Jesus as my savior, so takot ako with everything. But ngayon, I mean,
Yes.
especially during the pandemic, doon ako naging close sa aking faith. But this will be for another episode, I think. Pero, yeah, I overcame it na. Kasi, we're
That's
big
really
girls
good.
now, girl.
Big girls don't cry.
Ito,
Diba?
Cry though.
Kasi grabe talaga yun. Kasi kami ni Isa yung magka-share ng bunk bed. Oh my God!
Yeah. And I was on the
Yung mga panahon na torn tayo kung gusto ba natin maging PT or mag-audition na lang sa ABS-CBN. Kasi
sa Manila na eh.
nasa Manila na tayo, malapit na tayo sa pangarap natin eh.
Ito na tayo
Pero
sa
Ano?
ito talaga yung paborito kong memory. Teka.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Hindi
God,
ko-
wait. Kasi si
Halata ng past
Si Jairo kasi yung Teka lang.
I remember the time na like, I told you guys, ito yung script, basahin nyo, judge kita. Ang Madaw Kid, bigyan ko ng Jollibee. My
Sino
Right.
to?
That's
May
my
fan pala si
Yeah,
Oh my
remember
God.
time na nag-acting tayo sa room.
Kasi diba,
Tapos-
it was a weekend, tapos walang class for some reason,
Yes.
and we had a lot of time.
Yes. I think ano yun,
Premium
because
Jollibee.
tapos
Acting,
Jollibee.
ano ba yung acting natin noon?
Kasi there were
Yung
scripts
kay Eric,
floating online.
yung kay Eric ata eh.
Yeah. Parang
Basta,
script talaga
oh,
siya ng scene na nakita ko. So
yes.
sabi ko, guys, basahin niyo. Para may magawa kayo.
Tapos ang mga mga frustrated na
Bakit wala
celebrity.
tayong video noon?
Yeah, I
Ano
know.
Sino,
ha?
may nag-video ba noon? Alam
Wala.
ko meron tayong video nung
Kasi naalala ko brown out yun eh.
Pero nung nag-concert kayo.
Yes. Walang kuryente. Kaya wala
Kuryente.
din tayo, bored tayo. 'Di ba? Imbes na mag-aral. Yun yung
Yeah,
inaatupag.
madilim kasi eh. Tsaka ang ganda kasi ng room natin kasi we had the view of the soccer field ng UST. So, tsaka
Yes.
diba, it had lights.
Yes.
So,
Ay,
yeah, kayo
oo.
ni Jai
Perfect
were
talaga
at the
yun.
concert. And kami ni Nell, woo!
Tapos mga sound trip natin na at night. Sound trip
Yeah.
na at night. Tapos mga ganito din.
Oh my
Ayun
God.
na yun.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. Bakit ganyan tayo?
Alam mo, good, no? Like, in all honesty, tayo ata
Lakas ng
yung
trip
friend
natin.
group na unexpected.
Yeah.
Totoo. Kasi, I think nag-come up tayo as roommates. Kasi nga, yun din nangyari, di ba? Parang, yung mga kasabayan ko dapat, ano na sila, max of 4 people lang.
Yeah.
Tapos
Yeah.
yung ibang mga pa-friend group ko, parang tiga-apat-apat na din sila. Tapos, parang tayo yung natitira. Kasi magkakaibigan na tayo at that time.
Yeah.
Pero yung tayo yung mga wala pang mga ano. Kasi ako kasi personally, hindi ako nag-decide na sumali sa review sa Manila
Yeah, sa booth.
till the last minute.
Oo.
Hindi,
Yeah.
kasi dapat magte-take na ako ng February. Eh kaso hindi pinayagan ng school. Kasi gusto nila sabay-sabay tayong lahat. So parang last na ako nakapag-decide na ay magmamanila na lang ako. So lahat nakapag-roomies na.
Mm.
Ang hindi ko, I think si Nel, hindi talaga siya, parang siya yung last yata na na-invite natin. Kasi parang ano lang si Nel eh, parang chill lang siya
Oo.
kahit anong mangyari sa life niya. Oo, parang ikaw yata yung una kong Isa. Ikaw yung unang na ko na, may roommate ka na ba? Tapos si Kyra naman, sino ba dapat ang ka-roommate mo nun?
Actually, wala. Wala akong
Hindi ka
ka-roommate
pa
nun dapat.
Okay.
Oh, parang, wala. Oh, wala akong,
Ang hirap, ang tatanda na natin. Grabe. Ang hirap balikan. Basta ang naalala ko, yeah. I don't remember exactly paano tayo na come up na, sige tayo na lang mag-roommate. Parang
I think si Isa ang naging,
connection mo.
Oo.
Okay. So it's like,
Ah,
I asked Isa asked you, tapos parang, tatlo na tayo.
Kasi
Sige, tanungin natin si Nel.
yeah.
Nagano
Oh,
Nel.
right. Yes.
Nel. Anong name
Kasi
ni Nel
akala ko
dito?
dyan, you were gonna be staying with Mon kasi diba, like no-brainer childhood friend tapos diba.
Yeah.
And then,
I think
na-shock ako
Mon
na,
and I had mutual parang decision na hindi tayo mag-live in the same place. Kasi we're so close
Kasi
na bata.
baka
Tapos
hindi na
Oo,
makapag-aral. Yes.
Mag-away-away, ganyan, or hindi na mag-aral, kaya nagkakiat-kiat, ganun. So nag-decide kami na mag-separate. Si Nel, parang siya na lang yung kilala natin na wala
Roommate,
pang
yeah.
room. Kasi nga,
Yeah.
chill lang siya, diba? Kasi may kuya din siya sa Manila at
Yes,
that
yes,
time.
oo.
Oo.
Kaso yata
Parang
parang
siya-
malayo yung kuya niya sa review center. So parang
Oo.
nag-decide din siya na,
Sige.
'di ba? Ginawa na natin ng kwento si
Oo.
Nel. Sige, yun na yun. Wala naman siya dito para
Wala siya
i-defend
eh.
self niya.
Oo.
Tapos maalala ko,
So, ganun na lang.
si Seth ang first na pumunta ng KRS.
Yes.
Tapos
Yes,
yung good
kasi
sa amin na ganito ang
oo.
ganito.
Kasi yung parents ko na hindi mapakali. Kasi first time kong tumira ng Manila. 'Di ba? Kasi 'di ba parang big deal 'yun sa atin eh. 'Di ba kasi big city, 'di ba galing tayo sa parang maliliit lang na ang tawag diyan, mababang lungsod ng Jensan, ganun, mababang lungsod at Davao. Tapos compare mo sa Manila na parang iba ang doon, lifestyle and everything. So, yung parents ko, dalawa talaga sila, sumama sa Manila. Tapos, chinek namin yung yung place.
Mm.
So, actually, nung pagpunta namin doon, di ba nakapag-reserve na tayo and all, nakapagbayad na, wala pang room talaga for us. So,
Mm.
para pagdating doon, pinapili pa kami. Kasi di ba, nung first day ko doon, bumaha, may baha pa and everything, umulan ng malakas. Tapos, pumapasok yung tubig sa loob ng room. So, sabi ko,
Yeah.
hindi, lipat nyo kami. Kaya doon tayo napunta sa magandang view ng UST. Yes. Sabi ko, ay,
Wow.
parang maganda na to. I think
Naka-corner
na-send ko
room
sa
tayo,
inyo.
di ba?
Oo, maganda yung room
Really
natin. Perfect
Pero
na
di ba, ang
perfect
dami
yun.
horror stories doon. Like, they would say na late at night sa elevator, if ikaw lang mag-isa, pag open mo kay may bride and groom, like, what the... So, yeah.
Which brings us back, si Isa, pag natutulog yan, naglalagay siya ng asin sa ilalim,
Under my bed and water.
sa ilalim
And
ng
vodka.
kama. Tapos nasa top bunk. Ako yung nasa baba. Tapos, paglagay ko ng tsinelas ko sa ilalim ng kama, sabi ko, ano to? Bakit ang daming mga cup na may tubig? Sabi ko, nag-ano ka ba? Isa-sacrifice mo ba tayo? Nakakatakot mo ba?
Hindi kasi, oh my goodness. Ano na lang, let's save this topic for Halloween.
Halloween? Parang naabot talaga tayo ng Halloween.
Mystic.
But yeah, it was,
I remember,
it's one of those.
kayo palaging magkasama mag-study. Kasi di ba may 2 study area sa first
Yeah.
floor and sa second floor. Tapos ako
Yeah,
usually,
sa
most of the
rooftop.
time, sa first floor ako. Tapos one time, I think 3 a.m. na, umakyat na ako ng 15th floor. Tapos, 8th floor ata or 13th floor, nag-open yung door by itself. Legit. Hindi ko alam kung kasama ko kayo nun or ako lang mag-isa.
Yeah.
Tapos,
As
di ba
in,
may certain time,
anong na-feel mo nun?
tired na kasi ako noon. So, wala na akong feeling.
Wala
Sabi
akong pake. Gusto ko pumasa sa board exam. Huwag yun na
Gusto mo nang matulog.
1 week before the board. So, sabi ko, wala na. Wala na talaga. Hindi na
Ako,
ako
sige. Gawin nyo na lahat.
Yun yun ang gusto nyo.
Kunin nyo na ang lahat sa akin. Actually, meron pa akong time-lapse nung yung sa rooftop ba yun? Yung pinakataas na floor. Kasi maganda yung view yun, di ba? Parang nasa heaven ka na. Yung parang,
Yeah, maganda
sige
yung
Lord, kung hindi
sunset.
ako pumasa, kunin mo na ako agad.
Makikita mo sa imagine mo. Ha?
Sumakses ka na pala. Step by the step. Who remembers this? Ano ba yun? Ano ba
I
yan?
was going to the feast
This
in
one.
Manila. Hala! I remember that day.
Yeah.
Sa may Baywalk. Or asa
Ito
yun?
yata yung after, hindi pa to after boards. Parang,
Before pa yan.
yes, kasi parang naisip natin na, bakit, why not mag-unwind and everything?
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Yun nga.
Wow.
Yeah. I remember.
Wow. Ang pinaka-question ko dito, paano natin nabayaran to?
Kaya nga, diba? Awkward pala.
Parang wala tayong pera nun na.
I know.
Ayan,
Grabe nung
tingnan niyo.
my financial decisions in Manila, grabe.
Yes, and talaga.
That night, parang, nag-decide tayong apat, hindi tayo mag-aaral today.
Mhm.
Oo, parang let's take a break kasi parang parang nababaliw na tayo konti.
Yeah. Hopefully
Tapos
we can
tayo
travel
tatlo
to-
the feast kasi si Nel iba naman yung niya church.
Yeah.
Tapos
oo.
tayo tatlo, the
Every
feast.
Sunday.
Diba?
It would be nice, no, magbalik tayo.
Manila.
Yeah.
I feel like super iba na siya ngayon, no? Kasi
Yeah.
how long has it been? Wow, I don't even wanna count it. 2017, 20...
8 years.
Was it
I think.
2017?
2018.
17 to 18.
Do you feel old yet? Do you feel old yet?
Of course. But
I do.
actually, no, I'm
Who would've
excited to
thought?
leave my 20s behind. Char. I'm excited to be 30.
Really?
Yeah, like
Talaga?
I'm done with all the 20s BS, I swear.
Ako parang nasa point ako na parang, oh my gosh. Parang nafe-feel niyo ba yung pressure
You're
as
you're
a
not yet
woman?
ready to let go
Yeah.
of your 20s.
Yes, 'di ba? Lalo na sa parang pressure ng society ngayon na, oh, you have to be married by this age. You have to have
Yeah.
kids by this age.
You have to have your
Pero
own house.
pero what I realized, kasi parang iba-iba naman yung timeline natin, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Bawat tao. Parang I know at this point hindi pa ako ready magka-kids. Like parang I know I'm not ready, and ayoko maglabas ng mga anak dito sa mundong ito knowing that I'm not ready, 'di ba? Dapat ano ka aside
Right.
from financially ready, dapat emotionally,
Mentally.
physically, mentally, 'yon talaga.
Actually,
Kasi nakaka-stress yun kasi pag may anak ka na, iba na yung priorities mo. Dapat sila na yung uunahin.
Correct.
Naging emotional.
May alcohol
Naging
ba to?
emotional bigla. More alcohol, please. Kainis kayo. So, mauna muna ako.
yaman
Makinig
na.
kayo sa akin. Mas matanda pala ako sa inyo. Charot.
Ng 2 months.
Bless.
That's all.
Yeah. So ngayon, na LDR na tayo.
Or,
Ito ang question ko, ito muna. First for Lisette kasi nasa labas ka talaga ng Pilipinas eh. Ano ang feeling that the people you grew up with are not in the same country as you are right now?
Oo na mag-emote.
I'm not gonna cry.
I'm not gonna cry, guys, kasi actually, it was hard. The adjustment. Kasi, when I was still in the Philippines, parang, alam ko na ay, yun talaga ang plano ko. Gusto kong lumabas, gusto kong mag-PT sa US. Kasi,
Yeah, you were
specifically,
sure of
kasi,
it. Oo.
parang kasi yung tita ko, PT din. So, parang nakita ko paano yung life niya. Yung parang, travel-travel lang siya. Tapos parang, super recognized dito yung physical therapist compared doon sa Philippines. Kasi,
Yeah.
di ba, yung parang, yung sa Philippines kasi, ay, oo, papahilot ako, ganun. Parang,
Yeah,
not
bro.
just that. It's not just that. Okay? Pero yun, yung pagdating ko naman dito, yun yung first na appreciate ko na parang, wow, parang, ang napaka-important ko naman dito. Yung parang, tipong, parang ayaw nilang galawin yung pasyente hanggang hindi nakikita ng therapist, gano'n.
Oo.
Sabi ko, I feel so important. Pero, yung pagdating dito, alam mo yung feeling na magbibuild ka ulit ng connections, ng friendship, and everything. Buti na lang, pagdating ko ng New York, andun agad si Anne. So, si Anne is our classmate din namin siya sa school namin. Pero, na pag ka na, yung adult ka sa abroad, kasi yung priority mo is mag-work para bayaran yung bills mo, yung ganito, ganyan. So, hindi din kami laging nagkikita. So, most of the time, talaga, you will be left alone with your thoughts. Para makikita mo yung mga pictures ng friends mo, like, hala, magkakasama sila. Tapos, parang ikaw, parang nami-miss out ka na. Ang pinaka-feeling ko is, parang, ginusto ko to, tapos parang, yung feeling mo na, I don't really belong here yet. Kasi hindi naman ako lumaki dito. Hindi ako nakaka-relate sa mga new friends ko. Kasi, dito sila nag-high school, dito sila nag-college. So, pag may pinag-uusapan sila, oh, do you guys remember when this happened, blah, blah, blah. Sabi ko, no, I don't remember that. Kasi, hindi naman ako taga dito di ba? Tapos, yung feeling na yung mga kaklase mo, or mga dating friends mo, like, they're still, making new memories, pero hindi ka nakasama doon. Tapos, pag umuwi ka, parang, hindi na ako makarelate sa inyo, guys. Kasi, parang dami nyo nang nagawang mga bagong bagay, di ba? Yeah. So, parang, ang nangyari, you don't belong here, and you don't feel like you belong where you were supposed to belong before. So, parang,
Lost ka. Ganyan.
ako?
Lost.
Ano ako? So, gano'n. Yun lang yung nakakalungkot as an immigrant na you will never feel like you belong here. Kasi yung majority ng life mo, hindi naman dito nag-start. Tapos, yung future mo, parang hindi mo na nakikita sa Philippines. Yung parang, saan na ako ngayon? Yeah, yun na yung mahirap as yung parang mga people na nag-abroad. But yeah,
Yeah.
it's sad. Pero I'm also grateful sa mga new friends na nami-meet ko dito kasi ang dami kong na-learn. Super. Like parang yung mga iba-ibang perspective sa life, parang I feel like I changed a lot, pero for the better. Yan talaga
Yeah.
yung maganda naman. Thank you, thank you. Thank you naman.
Dito.
Chat, chat.
Actually, yan ang maganda pa mag-travel kasi 'di ba, when you get immersed in a different culture na area, you get to understand, oy,
Mm.
hindi lang pala yung way ko ang tama, 'di ba?
Yes.
So, yeah.
Yes, yun.
That's what,
Ano ka talaga, ma-humbled. Ay, I feel very
yeah.
humbled. Like, ay, di pala yun na ano. Kasi, ayun din, yung, iba kasi yung attitude ng mga tao dito. Na parang, di ba sa Philippines, uso sa atin, like, backstab, backstab, ganun. Dito, they're very upfront na parang, pag may nagawa kang mali, sasabihan ka talaga sa mukha mo. Parang, I don't like what you're doing. Ay, sorry po. Parang,
Pasensya na
sorry
po.
naman.
Naghahanap
Oo.
buhay
Pero
lang.
so far, wala pa naman akong nakakaaway dito. Parang, siguro ano naman, mabait naman akong tao. Wala pa akong, pero may na-observe kasi ako, like yung mga fellow Filipino or Filipina, before, may nakakaaway talaga silang mga, taga-ibang lahi.
Really.
As in, yeah, super. Hindi ako ma-confront na tao eh. Like parang, pag alam ko na pag nagkamali ako, like parang, ay okay, I'm sorry, ganun na lang, my bad, ganun. Kasi hindi sila, they don't take the BS here. Like parang, parang dapat ka talaga. Kung ano yung gusto mo, sabihin mo. Kasi, they're not mind readers. Yun yung sinasabi nila.
It's nice din there kasi people there are taught how to communicate well.
Yes, actually.
Yes. Actually, yun yung isang pinakamalaking ko worry. Like, parang, makaka-relate kaya ako? Like, makaka-keep up kaya ako sa conversation? Na parang, minsan, di ba, syempre, English is not our first language. So, pag nag-English sila dito na parang, daw? Parang nagaganyan. Ano sabi niya? Parang ganon. Oo. Like, kasi minsan magsasalita sila na parang, yeah. Tapos sabi ko, nice! Tapos nagtanong pala siya, no? So, huh? Pabuang-buang na lang ba, huh?
As
What?
in,
But yeah, parang so far, parang naman, I think the more you converse with them, yung nakipag-usap ka, parang the more na masasanay ka, like, okay. Ganun pala. Iba-iba kasi yung accent ng mga tao dito. Like, parang, yeah. Pero naman siya. Oo. Parang
Ganun din.
katagalan, habang tumatagal, lalong
lalong
sumasarap.
sumasarap.
Masarap.
Ito si
Thank you. You're
Kyra.
welcome. How about you? How was
Ito
your
kay,
med school journey? Charot.
yeah.
It was, naman, bearable. But,
How did you decide pala? Matagal na ba yan na na decision mo na after PT magpo-proceed ka talaga? Kasi 5 years na yung natin PT natin. Parang gusto ko mag-aral ulit. Parang hobby ko na mag-study.
actually, PT, gina-force na ako ng family ko mag-proceed sa med. Pero ako yung medyo reluctant kasi, 5 years ng PT, girl. Tapos, alam mo naman yung aking mga grades sa PT before. Nag-report pa ako sa kines,
Yung
diba?
saktong lang.
75.
Oy, at least we're still here. Naging
Yeah,
PTRT
and
pa
we
rin
made
tayo.
it.
Yes.
Yeah. But my decision talaga, ako talaga nag-decide kasi more on personal decision siya. I realized na
Personal goal. Yeah.
parang it's nice kasi wala pang doctor sa family. So, sabi ko, why not?
Nice.
Why not, diba ganyan? Pero hindi siya like one night decision lang. I had to think about it over and over again.
Yeah. Kasi pagdadaanan mo na naman lahat di ba? Yung parang, aral na naman. Overnight, all-nighters.
Yeah. Ganon. And, yun. So, during med, I think good thing din na hindi kayo sabay-sabay na wala. Hindi kayo sabay-sabay nag-alisan. Pero really, at one point, I think 2019, kasi yun yung time na umalis yung si Kim, umalis si Rima, umalis ate ko.
Yeah.
Nag-transition din ako to medicine. So parang, alam mo yung changes yung routine ko ba for the past years, parang nag-change siya bigla. Kasi yung mga
Yeah.
kasama ko lagi, nasa ibang bansa na, tapos yung ang life ko is different na sa life
Life
ng
nila.
ganyan. So, yun din, adjustment din siya for me. Pero, bearable naman din siya. Thank God, naka-survive. Tapos,
Yay!
tapos, ano lang din, happy din ako kasi yung friends ko outside, it's nice talaga na you have friends outside med.
Yes,
Kayo.
Mm.
I agree.
Kasi parang, especially nung internship ko, parang kapoy na ako mag-duty. Ayoko na mag-duty. Tapos yung sinel, umuwi pa, ganyan. So parang yung mind ko, yung environment ko, na-change siya kahit for a while. Na,
Mhm.
Mm-mm.
yeah. And, so yun. At least thankful din ako kasi the friends I had in college are still my friends now. Even
Mm.
if iba-iba na yung mga people sa lives namin, ganyan.
Yeah. And ibang location na.
Ang location na.
Ibang time zone, di ba? Ang hirap
Yeah.
na.
My
It's
goodness.
kasi na, may ibang, I mean, it really depends, no? Pero may ibang friendships din naman kasi na, siguro kasi superficial lang yung friendship, ganyan. Na if there's distance na wala
Mm-mm.
Wala
naman.
na.
True,
Kayo
true.
mag-effort together, pero walang hard feelings or anything. It's just that,
Yeah.
hindi kayo
Like
mag-effort.
if magkita kayo ulit one day, like parang, oh, ganit pa rin. Pero like never na kayo nag-usap ulit. Like wala ka ng update aside from what they post on social media, di ba? Yung parang yun na
Yeah.
lang.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yun.
True.
Itong
Love
Chambers of
to.
Secrets, ito din yung ano ko, parang it shows me another world ba? Yung ganyan.
Di ba?
Kasi syempre kayo, mga ano na kayo, early kayo, I mean, let's say on time kayo involved sa adulting life. Ganyan. Kasi di ba pa syempre
Mm.
postgraduate, mabehind talaga yan sa ganyan na stuff. So
Mhm.
yun, at least pagkausap
Para
ko
iba ang journey mo, yeah.
Yeah.
pagkausap ko kayo, at least ma-shift ako ba yung perception ko, ganyan. So,
Mm.
yun. Pero plastikan lang din talaga ito. For the podcast.
Sino ba kayo? Bakit ba ako nandito? Matulog na nga ako.
Actually,
Ganyan. Visit.
Hindi, pero yeah. Actually, did you guys expect na maging like friends pa rin tayo even after the boards?
ako
Actually,
honestly,
kasi,
oo.
yeah, pizza. Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
Kayo
Yun na yung sagot ko.
Parang you're not convinced. Parang hindi ka convinced doon. Parang nag-hesitate ka. Ano ba talaga yung issue mo sa amin? Sige na nga, sabi
Wala,
mo.
oy gosh.
Nag-flashback sa akin kasi 'di ba even yung after the boards, nag-work naman tayo noon, 'di ba? Like,
Yeah.
nasa Sinel, nasa Manila. Nag-work.
Oo.
Lisette nasa Jensen, ako nandito, si Whitey nandito din. Tapos 'di ba parang nag-make tayo time talaga na magkita.
Oo, di ba ano
Yeah.
pa, video call? Ay, yes! Kasi nag-ano pa tayo, naalala ko.
We stayed over.
Staycation
Yeah,
tayo.
like I went to Davao.
Yeah.
Tapos, di ba? Oh my gosh, I remember that.
Ako honestly, hindi ko expect na like hanggang
So, balak mo pala kami i-ghost after.
Hindi.
Wow. Ang kapal ng mukha mo. Charot.
talaga. Hindi. Wala lang. Kasi, I mean, I'm the type kasi of person na parang I don't want to hold on to relationships that much good.
Wow!
Parang you don't want to force it if they don't like. Parang
Hindi
ganon.
hindi sa parang I don't like this friendship. Hindi, yung, ano lang, parang pamot-may lang ako nung time na yun. Tapos hanggang sa, even sa group chats, kay active pa rin ang tayong apat, active pa rin tayo, tapos nag-video call tayo. Doon ka na siya tapos nag-make effort na lang everyone na magkita. So doon ka na feel na, okay, baka ito sila yung parang, low maintenance na people sa life ko.
Yes! Gusto ko yan. Yan ang mga gusto kong friends na kinikip. Yung parang kahit hindi kayo always nag-uusap, wala kayong pero like, every time na nag-uusap kayo, parang, oy, goods pa rin tayo. Walang no hard feelings. Kasi, na-understand mo na, meron silang own lives, like, that they're living, na parang, it's okay. It's okay, girl. Come on. Ghost me, whatever. When you come back, we'll hang out. We'll drink alcohol. Yung ganon, yes. I like those kind of friendships. Actually, yun yung the best kind of friendships. Kasi,
Yeah, no
Di ba yung parang,
pressure.
yes, di ka mag-worry na parang, hala, galit ba to si ganito, ganyan. Pero yeah, kasi di ba meron tayong time na parang nag-pause din tayo from talking na parang, wala, parang matagal din na silent lang yung GC natin, di ba?
Yeah.
Like, as we were just living our own life. Like, ako, kakalipat ko dito, si Jaira nag-med school.
Oh, really?
Actually, yung high school barkada ko nung fourth year.
Uy, nakakamiss yung college natin, no? Ito,
Tapos,
do you remember this?
Uwi.
oh my goodness, board exam day 1.
Yes.
Wala nagka to mga faces di ba?
As in,
At tataba
hug-hug
nating
ang
lahat.
buhok.
Bilog, bilog na bilog kasi parang laging McDonald's.
Yeah.
Grabe yun talaga.
Sir, it helped us survive ba yan, no?
So, ito. Let's move on sa ating final question of today's episode. So, what made us decide to make a podcast? Ano mo na? Let's all give answers. Kasi alam ko, iba-iba answer natin eh. Pero ikaw muna, Kyra.
Hindi, wala. Kasi it's one way to catch up,
Yeah.
di ba? Kasi like right now, di ba? Mind tatlo, nag-make talaga tayo time for,
Yeah.
for
For
this
this.
podcast. Ano ba?
Crap ko to.
Mga na-miss out natin na times before.
Yeah.
Ngayon, we have more time as compared sa dati, di ba? Sige, ta hustle hard sa una, pero current game,
Yeah.
have more time, we're more
Hard na lang.
Also harder.
Yun lang. Charot. So, yun.
Nag-hustle.
Yeah, so yun. That's
All
Paano
right.
ba?
Thank you.
I
Ikaw,
think,
Seth.
di ba, nag-start naman, nag-start to nung yung last Zoom natin na para lang, kasi yung last Zoom namin, we realized it was time to catch up. Tapos meron kaming mga PowerPoint, di ba?
Yeah.
Pinagdadaanan namin sa live. Paano ba nag-start yun? Kasi di ba, I think si Kyra kasi, nag-chat ako sa kanya sa Instagram. Tapos parang, nangumusta lang. Like, how are
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
Tapos, na-realize namin, ang dami
It's been a
pala natin
while.
pinagdadaanan. At saka, ang dami palang nangyari sa life natin. And we
Yeah.
were going through the same thing, like the breakups and everything, whatever. I'm so over it. Charot. But yeah, at that time naman, super, super duper down. And alam mo yun na parang meron kang parang moments of loneliness. Tapos parang naalala mo yung mga tao mo na like mga friends mo before na kumustahin ko kaya to? Parang matagal-tagal na kaming hindi nag-usap, yung gano'n. Tapos, kaya nag-decide tayo like, uy, sabihan natin sila na mag-catch up naman tayo, gano'n. And then we realized in that Zoom na parang, we have something to say. We have so much to say. So,
Yeah.
mag-podcast tayo. Charot! At saka, yun na din. It's a way of catching up. Kasi, if we turn this into a schedule, di ba, na parang regular, at least naman, parang caught up pa rin tayo sa life. Pero, still no pressure. Kasi nga, we're very low maintenance. Yeah, like, di ba, it's a good way to, like, if ever this thing will take off, good. If ever. If not, we still have like the memories. Kasi nga, meron na tayo YouTube video, meron na tayo mga everything. So it's a good way to keep the communication line open with everybody.
Correct.
I love it.
Ayun. Thank you, guys. And ako naman, I have been wanting to start a podcast, like dugay na. But then, like, I've talked to many people. Okay, nagplan kami na ganito, ganyan. But then, I felt like, ako lang ata ang may gusto, pero grabe na ang pag-share ng mga exchange ng ideas ba. And then I thought, imbis na, like, why do I keep looking for people who are not willing to start this with me? Na I have 3 amazing friends who suddenly decided na they want to do this too, diba? So, for me, yeah, kasi, we have a lot to say, I think. And ngayon, our opinions may not seem important pa ngayon, pero diba, like, what if this will be an avenue for us to get nuggets of wisdom in the future, diba? So,
That's true.
yeah.
That's true. With everything going on in this world din, na parang, I think we have something to say. Like, I think there's a lot more things that we can talk about that's more important. And,
Yeah.
diba, yung parang relatable to other people din. So
Mm.
hopefully, diba, mag-take off tong ating podcast na to.
Yeah.
Diba?
Di ba, like, I think, for me, ang take ko nito is, we can talk about our careers, our issues, our, like, tawag ito? We can talk about mental issues, we can talk about challenges,
Yes.
and how we overcame stuff.
Kasi, yes. Kasi, 'di ba, parang like hindi natin 'di ba, Kyra, like pinagdadaanan mo din pala 'to, like mentally, yung mga gano'n na like para tapos nakarelate ako na parang oh my God, ako din, yung mga gano'n. So it will be good to talk about that next time. Never know kung sino talaga yung mga makikinig sa atin.
Yeah, and
Like you never know na makaka-relate din pala sila. May mga like if you have questions about physical therapy or like paano ka ba nag-abroad? Paano ka pumunta ng London? Paano ka pumunta
Yeah,
ng
we can
US?
talk about
Paano
that.
ka nag-start ng business? Like how
Yeah.
was it during medical school? Like we can help a lot of people actually, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Parang
naman, guys.
kasi iba kasi yung mga experience natin. Na magkaiba yung mga ano natin.
Oh, diba?
So that will be good. And we can
Us.
share that.
I
Oh,
think
yeah, I'm so happy na push natin
Yeah.
to. I love it.
So if
Galing,
you
galing.
guys reach this point, you're officially synced to our
Yes.
Gubot.
You're officially synced.
So
Yes.
yeah, this will not
Ano-
be the
ano-
last of us. So I think we're done. First episode is a wrap, guys. So yeah, looking forward to the next episode, and we hope to see you soon on our next Sip and Sync session. So stay hydrated, guys. Bye bye. Cheers.